Hi everybody, you might have seen in our close-up, this week we use turmeric. But we're also going to show you for a try this at home how turmeric can be used as a natural indicator for acids and bases. Let's get to it.
Now it's time to reveal your secret message. Here I'm mixing water with borax, a detergent, to make a basic solution to reveal our message. What do you notice happening as I apply the borax solution to the turmeric plate? Let's see what happens when I add an acidic solution, in this case vinegar, to our secret message. What do you notice happening this time?
After you let your turmeric paper dry, otherwise known as goldenrod paper, be sure to test out different things in your house to see whether they're acidic or basic. If you try acidic things like vinegar or lemon juice, they should stay this bright yellow color. If you try things that are more basic like baking soda or detergent, how I use, it should turn a bright orange or red. Thanks for watching and have fun investigating.